Hi guys, welcome back to my super messy desk. Actually, I'm getting on here because I wanted to share with you a few things that I picked up at my local dollar store, Dollar Tree, and some of this stuff may be something that you want to check your Dollar Tree and see if it's available. So the first thing I'm going to show you are just a few books that I picked up. Nothing special, but I like some of, like this one here. It's Loopy Loom Rubber Band Animals, but I liked these images that were in the book, and I thought these would make some great pockets and stuff like that. The colors are great, and I love how that is. So there's lots of images in here that I will use as pockets. The pages are really nice pages. This would be a great glue book. So there's that one. I also picked up this one here. It's We Love Cooking. And number one, look at this page here. How pretty would that be to make into a pocket or an envelope, something like that. And it's on both sides. So it's got some good pages in here that would be great for all of your, like any kind of ephemera that you want to make. There's all kinds of different things that I can use out of this book. So I love that. And then, you know, I like to use recipes and stuff in my journals. So this will be fun. And again, the pages are just a really nice quality. And for $1.25, you couldn't beat it. So I got that one. This one here, I have no idea what kind of book this is, but I did like the pages. I like the size of the pages. I have no clue what this is. I guess it's maybe talking about like Star Wars type stuff. I don't know. But I liked a lot of the images in here and figured that they would be really cool to use to make some ephemera out of. And again, this would also make a really cool glue book because the pages are just so, they're thick, they're really neat, you know, but there's some images in here that I don't have a clue what I would do with them, but that's okay because I can cover them up. But the thing is, the pages themselves are really nice, really thick, great quality. So there's that one. Then I got this one here. It's Cute Felt Bears. And this one's softback. But again, the images in this book are so cute and adorable. And will just make some, look at this. That will make some great ephemera. So I am really looking forward to this book especially. Getting in here and using some of these images because they're just absolutely adorable. Look, I mean, that's just, it's gorgeous. And this was $1.25, and there's, look at this page. I mean, look at this. It's so much fun in this one book. This one will be a lot of fun. Look at this. How cute. So yeah, this one will be a lot of fun to work with for sure. Look at the blue page. Oh my goodness. That would make a really cute. Look at this. How cute will that be? So yeah, there's just, you know, a lot of images in here. Look, there's a purple page. Let's see, another like orange kind of page. The blue, a pink. Oh, and they gave you templates. Now this would be cool to put in journals. Oh, cool. I did not see that. Oh my goodness, that's fun. Okay. So yeah, go pick up one of these books if they have them at your local Dollar Tree. And that is Cute Felt Bears. Okay, and then the last book that I picked up is Ancient World's Modern Beads. And again, I liked the images. Look at that. That would make a great pocket or, you know, envelope. So the same type thing. There's a lot of images that I can use. Look at these. Those would make really, you know, fussy cut some of these out and use them on pages. Look at this. Just would make great pockets and tucks. You know, you can use a lot of the images to actually cut out and use the images. Look at that. Just use the images themselves. Again, the paper is great quality. This would also make a really nice glue book. So there's that. So those are the books that I picked up. Let me try and set these down to the side without killing you guys, your ears. Okay. Now the next thing I found at my Dollar Tree, check it out, the Doodle Pads. This is what I have been using to make that fake vintage ephemera from. And so I got one pad for $1.25 for 60 sheets. That is super cheap. So I think I picked up 10 of them tonight. And so what I will probably do is I will just sit down and just go ahead and cut all of them at 8.5 by 11 all at one time, and then put them into, I have paper storage containers, and just put it in there so that whenever I go to use it, all I have to do is pull from it. It's right ready to go. So I got those. Now the other thing I picked up, facial ice rollers. But how many of you like to use a brayer, like when you're putting down your stickers and that kind of stuff? That's what this is. There's your brayer. $1.25. You know, and that's, you know, I've told people before, you have to think outside of the box. Hang on one second, guys. Okay, sorry about that. So rather than going and spending all that money on a, you know, a brayer, you can pick these up for $1.25, and you have got a brayer, and it is a perfect size. So I picked up 2 of those. Let me see. Okay. Next, I will show you this. I only picked up 2 packages of these because I don't know how they're going to do, but I figured I would give them a try. And it is the tempera spray paint. So like I said, I don't know how good it's going to be, but I figured, you know, it can't be that bad, so I'm gonna try it. So I picked up these 4 colors here. They had several other colors available, but I just grabbed these. I figured, you know, try to get something as close to what I would probably use as possible. All right, and then the next thing I got were these water brush pens. So I don't know how many of you guys actually do like watercolor or anything like that, which I do a lot of watercolor. I know I don't show it to you guys because, you know, I don't know. I just never do. But I do a lot of watercolor. These brushes, the Tim Holtz brush like this, one brush is right at $10. And I can tell you, I have used these because this is not the first time I've purchased these. I have used these. I have used the Tim Holtz ones. I've used many different water brushes, and there really is not that much difference between them. And you can get 2 of these for $1.25 versus 1 for $10. So, and the other thing is, like when my grandkids, I always try to keep some watercolor paints, and I keep these in stock so that when, you know, the grandbabies are around, I can hand them one of these pens full of water, give them the watercolor paints, and they can have fun, and it's not quite as messy. So these were $1.25 a piece. you can tell that I love those because I got several packs of those. Okay, next, let's see. Okay, yeah, these are the glass dropper bottles. And so these are going to be super good for, you know how a lot of times we like to take the inks and kind of mix it with water and then drop it onto our papers to make it look like, you know, the little ink spots or something like that. That's what these will be good for, and they're glass, so that's amazing. So I can mix up some of my stain in here, I can even do coffee in here. Do a little bit of coffee, and then if I'm wanting to do just a small piece, I can get my coffee out and drop it onto my my paper that I'm working with. So those were 2 of those for $1.25, and it's the glass dropper bottles. So these are wonderful. I am so excited. I cannot wait to use all of this stuff. Okay, next thing I got was just something super simple. I think we probably all use these, the glue and residue erasers. $1.25, you know, they do what they need to do, which obviously I need to get a hold of my mat with one of them. I do like to keep these on hand, so that was a good deal. So I just picked up 2 of those. Okay, the other thing I picked up were 2 packs of these tickets. I picked up the yellow and the red. And so what I am going to do, I am going to coffee dye these and then like really grunge them up, make them look vintage. And these will be so cute in journals, you know, stuck down in a little tiny tuck pocket or something. But $1.25 for 250 tickets. So grab 2 packs of those. The other thing I got, they had some more stamps tonight. And so I got 5 different packs of stamps. These are my favorite. These are really cool. $1.25 for a sheet of clear, transparent stamps. Hello, you can't beat that. These I got, like, mainly got it for, like, this one here and this one. I'll use some of the others. This one I got for my daughter. She loves the llama. But I figured I could use these in some of my stuff. And this one, I mainly got it for these few feathers right here. But you know what? I may end up using all of them. Who knows? But the price was super good. Okay. Then I just picked up some more of these, the foam brushes. I like to keep a little cup of them over here to the side so that when I'm working, I always have them to pull from. So I was running low, so I just grabbed a couple more packs. These are not anything spectacular. These are the napkins, but I did kind of like that image, and I figured why not, you know, I'll give it a try. And then what else? Oh, okay. I got 2 things of material, and these actually go together. I didn't realize that when I picked them up, but I got these 2 pieces of material that I think would be great for a journal. And I want you to look at this. These will go together. Did not even realize that when I got it. So yeah, I picked up these. Super cute. Make a super cute spring journal. Make some cute fabric flips. Anything like that. And then what else? We're getting close to done. Okay. And then I also found a couple of cutting dies. I have never seen cutting dies there before. They're nothing major or spectacular, but you know, I figured I would give them a try. They might turn out to be super cute. This one I think would be, and this one looks like it will be too. So I've never seen them there before, but you know, we're going to try them out. Then I also picked up these. This says it is a stencil wheel, and this is just some different patterns. And so this would be cute to lay down on a page and just lightly rub over with some of the, you know, the Distress Oxide or Distress Ink or something like that. And same thing with this. This is more hearts, but I liked, you know, the fact that it's all the stencils right there. I can hang them up and don't have to worry about them getting bent or in the way. All right, and now the last thing I think that I picked up tonight were these. And so we've probably all seen these in there before, and you know, some of you guys may already be using some of these this way, but these are the little coupon holders. But how good would this be to hold your ephemera? You know, if you have your different ephemeras that you want to put in here, like the bigger people, you know, I probably wouldn't put like stamps and stuff in it because they would, you know, probably fall out and all, but you can put, you know, some of your bigger pieces of ephemera down in here that you want to kind of keep up with. So there's that one. They had a couple different styles, so I picked up, you know, one of several of them. There's this one here, and then this one is a little bit longer. And so this one would be good for like this here. This is that longer sheet that we done. So it will hold like those larger images like that, you know, that won't fit down into the smaller ones there. So let me stick these in there, and I'll show you one other one that I got that I have not seen there before. And so then I found these, and I'm not real sure. It said these are a coupon holder as well, but when you open these, you can have the coupons there, and coupons there, and you can put coupons there, and coupons there. But then it also has this page here that opens out to where I guess you could put like bigger stuff in it. So I thought that might be, you know, something cool. It's got some pockets, you know, little tucks right here. So I went ahead and picked a couple of them up. I figured I would try and see, you know, what I could use them for. I don't really know, but, you know, I figured I couldn't go wrong for the price. So that is my little Dollar Tree haul for tonight. I think I got some pretty good and exciting stuff there tonight. I'm very happy with it. I think I am most pleased with the doodle paper. I don't know. I'm pretty pleased with all of it, but I think the doodle paper was just like the one thing I was so excited to see there. But it's all really, I love all of it. So I am going to get off of here because I want to play. I want to, I want to try out some of these inks. I want to see how they work, and that's what I'm going to do. So head over to your Dollar Tree and make sure, always think outside the box. Just because like this, it says it was an, what was it, an I don't know. Don't look at it like that. You know, think about what you can use the stuff for. So anyway, guys, I shall talk to you later. Bye, guys.